If you're considering rolling over your 401k into an IRA, there are a few crucial insights you need to know. This decision could impact your retirement savings, so it's essential to understand the process and the benefits before you make the move. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to confidently take the next step toward protecting and growing your wealth. And if you're serious about securing your financial future, click the first link in the description for a free guide that thousands of Americans are using to protect their wealth with gold IRAs. When rolling over your 401k, one of the first things to consider is the difference between traditional IRAs and other investment vehicles. While many retirees look to conventional IRAs for their rollover, you should also consider a gold IRA as a solid alternative. Gold has long been a safe haven investment, particularly in uncertain economic times, which is exactly what you'll want as you transition to retirement. If you have $100K or more in your 401k, or even up to $5 million in savings, a gold IRA could be a game changer for your financial future. Now, let's dive into the basics of the 401k rollover. The process is relatively simple, but the key is to ensure you're choosing the right type of IRA. A direct rollover from your 401k to an IRA is typically the best option because it allows you to avoid early withdrawal penalties and taxes. But even more important is what you do with that IRA after it's set up. If you simply leave it in cash or low-interest investments, you're not maximizing your potential growth. Gold IRAs, on the other hand, can provide a hedge against inflation and economic volatility, which is why many high-net-worth retirees are moving their assets into precious metals. Another thing you want to watch out for when rolling over a 401k is fees. Some traditional IRAs come with hidden fees that can eat away at your retirement savings. That's why it's so important to shop around and find an IRA custodian who offers low-cost management and, ideally, a range of precious metal options. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, a gold IRA will ensure your investment is in something that has stood the test of time, and you'll avoid the unnecessary fees that often come with more conventional options. When rolling over, you also need to take into account the timing of your move. Waiting too long can result in missed opportunities for growth, especially if you're in your 50s or 60s and looking to make the most of the years you have left to grow your savings. Keep in mind that the sooner you roll over, the sooner your assets can start working for you. Gold, in particular, is often seen as a long-term investment, making it ideal for retirees looking to safeguard their wealth over the years. But don't just take my word for it. Thousands of retirees are turning to gold IRAs for a reason. It's a powerful, reliable strategy to protect against market swings and preserve the value of your assets. If you want to know more about why gold IRAs are becoming the top choice for people with $100K or more in their 401k or IRA, click the first link in the description to get your free guide. Finally, if you're thinking about the tax implications, here's something to keep in mind. Both 401ks and traditional IRAs offer tax-deferred growth, meaning you won't pay taxes on your contributions until you withdraw funds. However, with a gold IRA, you can also benefit from having the option to store your assets in physical gold, which can offer you more control over your portfolio in times of economic uncertainty. So, if you're nearing retirement or just looking to make the most of your savings, rolling over your 401k into an IRA, especially a gold IRA, might be the right move. It's ideal for American retirees who want to preserve their wealth and make sure they're ready for whatever the future holds. And if you have $100K plus in your IRA or 401k, or even up to $5 million in savings, this could be the best decision you make. To learn more, click the first link in the description for your free gold IRA guide. Don't wait. Secure your financial future today.